What's up guys, RanderRazer here. How's it going guys? Got another iPhone video for you guys today. And recently Apple released their new OS 4 update for the iPhone. And just recently downloaded it, and I thought I might as well show you guys the top 10 features that I think that were available for this update. Now there are hundreds and hundreds, or actually I think they said there was 100 new little features of it, but I'm just going to go through the main basic stuff and let you guys know what I think. But anyways, the number one top feature that I'm pretty happy Apple finally came out with is background processing. Now, background processing has been around like forever. My first cell phone had background processing. I don't understand why Apple took so long to do so. But anyways, it's pretty simple. You just either go to your photos, or you can go directly to wallpaper, and you can select any photo you have, or just use the default one. And let's see, we'll try this one here. That's too dark. Let's try this green one here. And you just go set, and you have the option of setting on the lock screen or the home screen, or both, but we'll just set it on the home screen for now and see how it looks like. And as you can see, you got a new background. Probably not the greatest one, but I'll probably change that very soon. Anyways, that's the first feature that I'm happy Apple has included in this update. Alright, so the next feature I wanted to show you guys today is a new addition from Apple called Folders. And the cool thing about Folders is that I used to have like 9 pages of pages, and the problem with that, if I wanted to find some, you gotta run through 9 pages of applications, which can be very annoying. So the cool thing about Folders is you can finally organize them and make it a lot easier to find a specific application. So you can sort them into like games, social, or utilities. They automatically do it, but if you want to change it, so for example, if I wanted to mix this app here by holding it, to create a folder, you just put it on top of another one, and you got your folder here. And you can name it pretty much anything you want. But if you don't want if say you don't want the folder anymore, just take everything out of it and you get rid of the folder. So that's how you create a folder or get rid of them. And as you can see, you can name them anything you want, and definitely makes looking for applications and organizing them a lot easier. And as you can see, I went down from 9 pages to 1, 2, 3. So that's definitely a nice addition there. Next thing I want to share with you guys is multitasking, and that is something that a lot of iPhone and iPod Touch users have been waiting for a very long time. Big downfall with the iPhone, honestly, is if you open something up, you gotta close it to go on something else. So for example, if I wanted to open up Shazam, and say I want to just check email, and I just wanted to keep this running in the background, just exit that. You can double tap, and as you can see, it's already automatically running in the background when you exit it. And if you want to close it completely, just hit that and just tap the top there, and you're done. So that's definitely a nice feature from Apple that took a very long time to add. It's definitely useful. For example, so I was on Skype talking to a friend, and I just suddenly got an email, and I want to check email. Go to Skype, exit Skype, then I want to check email, go to email. As you can see, double tap, I still got Skype running in the background. Let's go to Skype instead, and boom, I'm already there. If you want to exit a application, again, whoops, just hold on to it and get rid of them. My only complaint about multitasking is you can't always successfully exit an app completely. You always have to go to the multitasking tray to exit it, which can be cumbersome if you go to a bunch of different apps all at once, or not all at once, but in a short period of time. So that's what I find a little bit of downfall, but it's definitely a nice addition from Apple. Next cool thing that they included in this update is mail. And what they did in the inbox here is they finally included a universal inbox. So a lot of people definitely have multiple email accounts, a Google account, YouTube account, all that, and you can finally fit them all in here. Fortunately, I won't show you guys since that's a bit personal stuff going back there, but anyways, it's nice to have that feature, and you just add it through the settings application. So you just go to settings, and you go to mail, hit mail, and you just hit add account, and you can add multiple email accounts finally. And you also check them all at once or check them individually, so definitely a nice addition from Apple. Next cool feature I want to show you guys is in the camera application here. we finally have the option to zoom in and zoom out. It is digital zoom, but you know, it's just nice to have that feature, I suppose. A lot of cameras. My first cell phone, it was one of the first cell phones also that had a little digital camera on it. It obviously wasn't the greatest thing back in 2005, but it still took, you know, recognizable quality pictures. And but it did have digital zoom, and definitely took Apple a while to add this feature. But you know, at least we have it now. That's definitely a cool thing. Another nice feature that we have is in the video camera application. When you start recording stuff, you can autofocus on things. So say I was doing a little video on this speaker here, and I wanted to move out. Obviously it's not going to focus automatically, and you can just tap to focus while it's recording. So it doesn't matter if you're close on something or far out, macro, whatever, you can have that option to focus on things that you record. Next cool feature that Apple finally added is the capability of making playlists directly on the iPhone. Now, the problem with previous iPhones is you can make a to-go on-the-go playlist. At least I could, but you could not. The next cool feature Apple finally added is the capability of making your own playlist directly on the iPhone or iPod Touch. Now, before you can only do this on iTunes, but I do use my music definitely a lot more on my iPhone than on the computer. So this is definitely a welcomed feature. It's pretty simple. You just have the option here now to add a playlist. You can name it whatever you want. So we'll just call it something like that. We'll save it, and then you just choose whatever songs you want to add. So we'll just randomly click this one here, and click this one here, and this one here. You click done, and there you go. You got your new playlist. You can edit, clear it, or delete it, which I just did. So anyways, that's definitely a new feature that I'll probably use as well. Next welcome feature that's pretty interesting for those of you book lovers out there. iBooks is available for the iPhone now and also iPod Touch. It's free off the App Store, and as you can see, I got a book open. I was fiddling around with that, but you can go back to the library. As you can see, it's just like the one on the iPad, but now it's on the iPhone. It does come preloaded with a Winnie the Pooh book, at least mine did, and it's pretty simple. You can open up the book and flip through pages like you would in real life. Now, all the text and stuff are easily readable, so don't worry about squinting your eyes or anything like that. But as you can see, it's a pretty nice feature, and if you're a book lover, this is probably something that you'll probably enjoy. Whoops. The last couple of features I wanted to share with you guys is in Photos here, and the cool thing about Photos now, wherever you take pictures on your iPhone here, you can find where you took them on Google Maps, which is right in the album, and it shows you where you took places. So took a few of them in Toronto, I guess, at least I assume, and it's nice definitely for travelers out there who want to know where you took your pictures, or you want to show your friends where you took them. And it's nice to have that little feature, I guess. It's not really worth it to me, but for those of you travelers, it probably is. Last little feature I want to share with you guys, I can't really show you since it's a bit personal, is in text messages. You have a search option now on the top there, so if you're looking for a text message, say for a month ago, you just type in some keywords where you think that text message might have. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Couple of features I wanted to share with you guys is in Photos here, and the cool thing about Photos now, them on Google Maps, which is right in the album, and it shows you where you took your pictures, or you want to show your friends where you took them. And it's nice to have that personals and text messages. You have a search option now on the top there, so some keywords where you think that text messages might have. But anyways, that's